Hey, how's everybody doing? Hope everyone's doing well. We're going to be doing another portrait today. This time it's actually going to be a portrait of a dog. Um, so if you remember from my previous lessons, I explained that what a dog is a type of animal. A lot of you already know that, but just for you new viewers out there who aren't quite caught up yet, a dog is a type of animal. So let's see. I'll show you what I have to work with. I'll show you the blues first. All right, so we have this one, that one, that one. Those are all the blues. And then we have like orange, we got the browns, the green. We have a tape measure for some reason. Probably won't end up using that. But you never know what, anything can happen. So it's always good to have a tape measure around just in case. We got this thing, this. We still got the Allen case, haven't used them yet. And then this thing with all the different shapes and stuff. These are very strange shapes. I actually don't know what they're called, but it's good to have it just in case. So, I don't know why I always do this, because then I gotta move everything out of the way. It's getting pretty annoying. All right, so let's go ahead and start. All right, so the dog, there's all this shit on here. Let's flip this over. Nice clean canvas. All right. So the dog, it's one of those like floppy-eared dogs. I forget what they're called. I guess a flopper. There's its beak. Nice big floppy ear right there. Yeah, dogs do have beaks. Kind of like horses, like how the nose comes out. That's called a beak. See, dogs are a lot different to draw than humans. I'm used to drawing humans. I usually, when I draw dogs, I always draw the same type. So I'm used to drawing like one type of dog. So when people send me pictures of different types of dogs that I'm not used to drawing, sort of becomes a little bit, I don't want to say difficult for me, because I try not to use that word. But we'll just say a little more challenging. And I like a good challenge anyway, so it's kind of good. It's kind of good to experiment with different types of dogs. Sounds weird. All right, so that's where so when you're doing a portrait, you want to make the frame. So that's basically where the dog's body ends right there. I'm sure like in real life, there's more to the dog. It doesn't actually just cut off like that. But that's where the picture ends. And so, oh, this is interesting actually. So there's actually, the dog has a roll of toilet paper under its chin. So let's go ahead and color that in. I guess it's trying to protect from the coronavirus. I mean, I don't have, let's see, toilet paper is white. I don't have white. The paper's white, so I don't have to color it in. We'll go ahead and do the eyes. I always lose my pen. Once I put it down, it's hard to find it again. So I usually try not to put my pen down when I'm doing this. It has pure black eyes. Black like the a moonless night. I wonder if that's what the dog's name is, Moonless Night. I don't know if he told me what the dog's name was, but I would assume that it's Moonless Night. Let's see. Let's see. He didn't give me a name. So we'll go ahead and just we'll call this dog Moonless Night. So that's the dog's name. And if that's not the dog's name, it is now. So tough luck. All right, so the dog's nose. It has these like different colors. It's a multicolored dog, an MCD, as we in the industry call it. So let's see, we'll get a nice brown. Color that in. Yeah, it's got like nice brown right there. Beautiful, beautiful dog. I like the floppy eared dogs. There's two types of dogs. There's the floppy ears, and then there's the triangle ears. The triangle ear ones, I mean, I hate to say it, but they're kind of assholes. I try not to deal with them. I try not to do business with them because they bark a lot, and they're not really like cute or anything. Let's see. I don't want to just leave the dog. I mean, the dog is white and the paper's white, so I kind of don't have to color it in, but that's kind of boring. So I know you could mix two colors. Maybe mix black and blue. Get a cool bruise. That was a really that was a stupid joke. I have a lot of bad jokes, and I say them, and then people say like shut up. You're not funny. And you know, I wish you wouldn't try to be funny when you're not, and we hate you. And you know, we wish you were never born. And you know, the world has been the world is a lot worse off ever since you've you know what I'm gonna say. But I can't help it. I like telling jokes, so. Oh, and there's actually a person standing in the background as well. So let's go ahead and draw them real quick. Looks like they're just like kind of like a big rectangle with feet at the end. They're just kind of like looming over the dog. Oh, and they're wearing a shirt with stripes. And they're holding a piece of string. And so, I mean, that's basically it. We could draw the floor. We color it brown. Brown is a good color to color floors. I mean, even look at my floor. So brown is this is floor brown is actually the name of it. That's basically it. So here it is. Here is Moonless Night, the dog. So now we'll compare it to the original. Let me just carefully just always fuck that up. Wow, that is that's amazing. That's pretty good for a dog that I've never done before. I gotta stop saying that. Doesn't sound right. All right, guys. See you later.